the wind taking the snow off the top of the trees, whipping them through quite nicely. Quite amazing to see when you first see it, actually. Just looked like a mini tornado that's been going through a little while ago. I see one. Seems to stop now. But that was always good to see.